If these lands could speak, what would they say?
Your younger brother Vladimir still lives!
They would say,
Viking,
welcome.
the time has come.
They would invite you in to share this extraordinary part of the world. This place, it's yours too. This land is wide open for sharing. Our
Viking,
We are going to climb a crater.
So let us show you around. Lead you to our natural wonders. And throw you head first into our beautiful countryside. Because what you'll find down here, what you'll hear within our mountains, our lakes, and our people, what you'll discover on your journey throughout this precious land is that you're welcome here. Make yourself at home.